Hi guys, welcome back again to this channel. So today I'm going to be illustrating how to use an eyelet plier. So let's get into the video. So this is the eyelet plier. As you can see, heavy duty eyelet plier. Then I have the eyelet itself. This one, I got this one came with the plier. The other one is stronger. So we have measuring tape. I have my scissors. Then I have a piece of fabric. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mark the point. So I'm using 1.5 center to center, that is the middle of the hole to the other hole will be 1.5 inches. So after that, so I'm going to use a hole cutter. You can see that's the hole cutter. That's the hole cutter to make hole on the fabric. And so I'm going to make a hole at those points. So you punch it, punch it. So the next thing is to put the eyelet into the hole. You insert the eyelet into the hole. Then after that, you align the eyelet and press the plier. You align and you press. Then do it again for the second hole. You insert the eyelet. You insert the eyelet. Then you align the eyelet and press the pliers. That's it. So you do the same for the rest. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.